Of late I've been hearing more cases about autism in India.
Yeah.
And నాకు ఇది చాలా సర్ప్రైజింగ్ ఎందుకంటే
Yeah.
I always thought this was a Western phenomena.
Yes.
So please throw some light on that.
So three things. First thing, when you told the it word nowadays in children and what we see in our OP every single day, autism. And parents are worried and are scared to hear and let their child be labeled with this, right? So autism is a neurodevelopmental disorder. Like there is a deviation from the normal development. So autism has multifactorial reasons. It is not a single cause that we can say, oh, this is the reason for autism, unless there are certain isolated genetic conditions which are the cause of autism. But apart from that, what we see commonly in our OP practice is mostly the environmental causes. That is the place where the child is brought up, like the stimulation that the child is getting, the interaction that the child is having, and the amount of screen time and the social media usage that is causing the rise. And autism can be isolated, it can be associated with other developmental delays, like the child is also walking late, also not speaking, then we call it as a global developmental delay. Sometimes autism children who have exclusively speech delay, but they do understand everything well, there is hearing defect which is not screened, which is not identified. We have kids even at 3 years where the hearing scan is not done at birth and they're actually deaf but not autistic. So these are reversible conditions, and there are multiple genetic reasons also for autism, but what we see everyday basis is due to the lack of stimulation, nuclear families, less interaction, parents, mother's face is replaced, the face time is replaced by the screen time. So that is the reason.
Nice.
And next thing, coming to is it from the Western world? Yes, I can say like obesity wasn't there in the past 30 years in India. Everybody, our grandfathers, great grandfathers were very fit, tall, very muscular, right? So now we see the obesity is rising just like that because the westernization has started in India, the urbanization, the nuclear families, software, so people migrating towards the cities, lack of family support, lack of that joint family, and now you have to leave the child with a nanny and the screen, because nobody can take care of a toddler for more than half an hour, 1 hour, because we all have complete 9 to 5 jobs, right? So that is one of the reasons where the screen is a one-way interface. It is not responding to the child, it is not looking at the child, it is not having some expressions. And also the child's brain is very, very immature, and first 5 years we as humans are born with an immature brain. Our experiences from around make our functions of the brain more mature, and it is a progressive process. So during this time, if you don't provide the proper stimulation to the child, a child will develop these neurodevelopmental issues.
If you found this video useful, like, comment and subscribe for more health updates.